What if you jumped straight into the heart of Uranus? What kind of world would you witness inside this icy giant? Strap in, because this journey gets colder, darker, and way more intense than you'd ever imagine. Uranus, this frozen and mysterious planet, is located a staggering 1.8 billion miles away from Earth. With our current space technology, it would take a spacecraft roughly 9 years to get there. As your ship approaches Uranus, you'd pass through a region filled with tiny meteoroid particles. This is Uranus's faint ring system. Made up of 13 rings, these are mostly composed of ice and iron-rich debris. Once you pass through the rings, you'll get a jaw-dropping close-up of Uranus itself, a planet wrapped in a thick, dense atmosphere. Now it's time to suit up in a specially designed spacesuit, because you're about to do the unthinkable. Jump into the unknown depths of Uranus and reveal a world we've never seen before. As you descend, you're surrounded by swirling shades of blue and green. Welcome to the upper atmosphere of Uranus. Here, temperatures plummet to minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, the coldest atmosphere of any planet in our solar system. Thankfully, your high-tech suit is built for extreme cold. Otherwise, you'd instantly turn into a human popsicle. But freezing temperatures aren't your only problem. There's a nasty smell in the air, like rotten eggs. That's because Uranus's atmosphere contains hydrogen sulfide, a poisonous gas responsible for that awful odor. Quick question: would you dare take your helmet off for a quick sniff, knowing it could be your last breath? Comment, "Helmet stays on," if you'd play it safe. Back to the descent, you fall deeper into the stinking cloud layers, and everything around you starts getting thicker, heavier. This part of the atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, ammonia, and methane gas, and the temperature begins to rise to around minus 238 degrees Fahrenheit. As you go even deeper, the pressure becomes intense, so intense that the gas particles around you start turning solid. And then, it starts raining diamonds. Yes, literal diamond rain. Here's why. The massive pressure compresses carbon in the atmosphere so strongly that it crystallizes into diamonds before falling like hail. If you could collect these gems and bring them back to Earth, congrats, you're now the richest human alive. But it's not all sparkle and shine. Uranus also has violent storms with wind speeds reaching up to 560 miles per hour. Earth's most extreme hurricanes wouldn't stand a chance. The pressure keeps building, up to an unimaginable 4.5 million times the atmospheric pressure on Earth. As you continue falling toward the core, everything gets darker, denser, and quieter. Gravity increases drastically, pulling you in with a force you can't fight. Eventually, your body would be crushed under the weight of this alien world, and the mysterious core of Uranus would become your final resting place.